USA versus Russia. Two military giants with different strengths. In the skies, America fields the F-55 Lightning II, Mach 1.6, range of 3,380 miles, stealth multi-role fighter. The U.S. Air Force operates around 2,400 jets. Russia counters with the Su-59, Mach 2.0, range of 2,175 miles, built for stealth and air superiority. The Russian Air Force has approximately 66 jets. At sea, the U.S. deploys aircraft carriers, over 10,000 tons displacement, 90-plus aircraft on board, nuclear-powered. The U.S. Navy operates 11 carriers. Russia relies on nuclear submarines. 24,000 tons displacement, ballistic missiles on board, silent and stealthy. Russia operates 68 subs. America's Edge, drones and satellites for advanced surveillance, precision strikes, and real-time targeting, a tech-focused edge. Russia's approach, tanks and aircraft formations for numerical superiority, sheer scale, and mass deployment. A quantity-focused strategy.